हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय दिस इन टुडेस वीडियो। गाइस, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो बाय थंबनेल एंड टाइटल की आज हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे हम कैसे 1 लाख रुपीस कैपिटल बना सकते हैं एज अ मंथली पर्पस। लाइक अगर कोई ट्रेडर नोवाइस है या जिसको 2 से 3 साल मार्केट में हो चुका है तो हाउ ही कैन मेक 1 लाख रुपीस, व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट स्ट्रेटेजीज जो उसको डिप्लॉय करना चाहिए एंड हाउ मच मिनिमम कैपिटल हमें चाहिए ये 1 लाख रुपीस मंथली टारगेट अचीव करने के लिए। गाइस, सो गाइस, इन सभी चीजों का हम डिस्कस करेंगे इस वीडियो में। ये एक एनालिसिस वीडियो है जो मैं अपने अगले पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो ये अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे डिस्कस करूंगा। गाइस, तो बने रहिए इस वीडियो में एंड तक देखने के लिए और हम कंक्लूजन एंड में देखेंगे कि क्या ये पॉसिबल है या नहीं। Hey guys, welcome to my this video. So let me explain you how we can make 1 lakh rupees in the stock market. So let me open my screen. So guys, making 1 lakh rupees from the stock market is really not a very big thing, but making it consistently for a long period of time, it's very big thing, guys. Okay, for making consistently you must be experienced of almost having 5 to 10 years in the stock market. अगर आप 5 से 10 साल स्टॉक मार्केट लगातार कर रहे हो तो इट्स मीन कि शेयर मार्केट ने आपको कुछ दिया है, आपने कुछ सीखा है। दैट्स वाई आप 10 साल तक या 5 साल तक मार्केट में टिके हुए हो अभी तक। ओके, यू मस्ट नो द प्रॉपर रिस्क मैनेजमेंट, you must know the profit of position sizing. And guys, if you want to learn these two topic, risk management, position sizing, so I already had made a video on these two topic. The link is in description, तो आप जाके वहाँ पे देख सकते हो guys. So guys, there are many more things like for example experience, risk management, position sizing, the timing of entry, timing of exit. These all things, if you have all 5 to 6 things inside you, so this will help you to make a consistent trader. Making a profit in 1 month, 2 months is not a trading. If you are a trader or if you are doing trading from a long period of time, it means you are a consistent trader. You are making profit consistently in the every phase of market. Okay, so let me come to our topic. Guys, making 1 lakh rupees, first of all, according to my perspective, you need almost 10 lakh capital. Okay, 10 lakh capital अगर आपके पास है तो you can make 1 lakh rupees regularly from trading on a monthly basis. Now how you can do trading with 10 lakh, guys? First of all, you are a beginner or if you are a novice trader, like अभी आपको 1 साल हुआ है, आप नए आए हो, आपके पास रुपये भी है 10 लाख है 20 लाख और आप सोच रहे हो कि मैं महीने का इतना कमा लूँगा, तो it doesn't gonna work, guys. First of all, let me give suggestion, guys, and recommendation. If you have a 10 lakh rupees and if you want to be a trader, so first you just add a money almost 2 lakh rupees in your trading account, and rest of 8 lakh rupees you should park in FDs or you can park in some ETF funds. For example, like one of my favorite fund is MON 100, Motilal Oswal Nasdaq 100, or you can park in Bharat Bond. You can buy some Nifty Bs. By buying such things, you can making almost 7 to 8% annually return from this. Your money is increasing and you are also learning some new skill with this 2 lakh rupees. I think 2 lakh rupees is sufficient for one lot in option selling. Okay, and one more thing, guys, making 1 lakh rupees, there are many ways you can make 1 lakh rupees. For example, some people do equity cash, some people do futures, some people do commodities, some future do options. But according to my experience, I think option trading is a platform where you can learn skill. It takes some time, of course, no doubt, but you can really make a very big money with option trading. Okay, now we will see how you can make 1 lakh rupees. First of all, 10 lakh rupees, like as you know that SEBI introduced a margin rule in which if you are a hedge position, then the margin is very less. For example, like what is iron condor, calendar spread, these are the strategies. These have a good profit and as well as good risk reward. So for example, in iron condor you can deploy 1 lot iron condor in the cost of almost 50k. If you are adding 10 lots, so you needed almost 5 lakh capital to deploy with 10 lot. Okay, so and I personally believe you can make consistently profit, or you can increase your portfolio of 10 lakh to whichever amount by doing just risk free strategy. For example, iron condor, calendar spread, or there are many other strategies, iron flies, butterfly spreads, horizontal calendar spread. This why? Because the lost potential in this strategy are very less. If your view is wrong and you are hit your stop loss, or if you hit your weekly M2M, you can exit from the strategy and then think about the next week, and the drawdown is very less in compared to in these strategies. We will show all this point in the next part of in the next phase of this video. So what we will see, अगर आपके पास ऑलमोस्ट 10 लाख कैपिटल है तो ऑलमोस्ट आप, फॉर एग्जांपल मैं आयरन कॉन्डोर का एग्जांपल लेके चलूँ तो वी कैन डू ऑलमोस्ट 10 to 12 लॉट्स इन द कैपिटल ऑफ 5 लाख रुपीज़. ओके, 5 लाख में मैं आराम से 10 से 12 लॉट कर सकता हूँ गाइस, नो डाउट आयरन कॉन्डोर में. एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द 5 लॉट्स 5 lakhs यू कैन पार्क फॉर एडजस्टमेंट ऑफ दिस आयरन कॉन्डोर. And adjustment is very necessary because most of the time you need to deploy some adjustment to make profitable through this strategy, and all this we will explain in later part of this video. But the rest 5 lakh you can deploy your strategy, and rest 5 lakh you can do for adjustment, no doubt. Okay, and guys, making 1 lakh rupees every month is quite seems to be impossible, and it's not impossible, but it's really very hard. Okay, थोड़ा मुश्किल है because इट नॉट पॉसिबल. इट्स माइट पॉसिबल कि पहले मंथ आप 1 लाख रुपीज़ कमाओ, नो डाउट. सेकेंड मंथ यू मस्ट लाइक आपको ऑलमोस्ट 80K आपने कमाया. ओके, ऑन थर्ड मंथ यू मेक ऑलमोस्ट 60K, और मे बी इन द फोर्थ मंथ यू मेक मोर देन 1 लाख रुपीज़. ओके, फिफ्थ मंथ हो सके आपका मार्केट जीरो कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट चला गया. सम मंथ यू माइट बी नेगेटिव और सम अमाउंट, बट द थिंग मैटर इज व्हाट हाउ मच यू हैड मेड एट द एंड ऑफ द ईयर. ओके, आपने 12 महीने के एंड में कितना कमाया, एंड इफ़ यू डू एवरेजिंग तो इट माइट बी पॉसिबल, ये पॉसिबल हो सकता. इफ़ यू आर गुड ट्रेडर तो इट माइट बी पॉसिबल कि आपने एंड ऑफ द 1 ईयर यू मेक मोर देन 12 लाख रुपीज़. So making 12 lakh rupees at the end of the year by making 1 lakh in some month, by making 80K in another month. कोई मंथ में आपको 1.5 लाख हुआ, कोई मंथ में 1,20,000 हुआ, कोई मंथ में आप नेगेटिव में गए. Still at the end of the year if you are making 12 lakh rupees, so it means every month your averaging is almost 1 lakh rupees. So in this way you can make money, and it's according to my perspective or my opinion, it's not possible to making 1 lakh rupees every month कंटिन्यूसली कि हर महीने 1 लाख आएगा ही आएगा. इट नॉट पॉसिबल. इट माइट पॉसिबल कि अगर आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा कैपिटल है और आप बहुत ही आउट ऑफ द मनी को बेच के 10-10 रुपये का आउट ऑफ द मनी बेच के आप 1 लाख रुपये कमा रहे हो, दैट्स ए वेरी डिफरेंट सिनेरियो. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस. मैं बस ऑलमोस्ट उस स्ट्रेटेजी की बात कर रहा हूँ जहाँ पे आप प्रॉपर हैज ड्रॉ करके आप जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आयरन कॉन्डोर या आयरन फ्लाई स्प्रेड, उन तरीके से आप कमा सकते हो. इन दिस वे यू कैन मेक 1 लाख रुपीज़ एवरी मंथ, एवरेज 1 lakh एवरेज ऑन देम एवरी मंथ. इस तरीके से आप यू कैन मेक 1 lakh rupees every month. Capital you need is almost 10 lakh rupees, out of which you have to use only 60% of that capital in trade and rest of in 40%. Guys, if your trade is going ruin, still you have 40% of your capital, almost 4 lakh with the adjustment, and then with the adjustment you can reduce your loss or almost make profit by adjusting this loss.
Hey guys, जैसे कि हमने देखा कि it might possible that we can make 1 lakh rupees out of 10 lakh capital, but personally I think it's depend on the trader to trader. Might if a trader is experienced, it have a lot of experience in the market, he has seen all the phases of the market, so he can make easily 1 lakh rupees out of that 10 lakh rupees. But if a trader has a experience of 3 to 4 years, so it might be like it's hard to make a 1 lakh rupees out of 10 lakh because he had not generated emotion of that time. He is not suffered so much market. He had not seen the phases of the market. So it might little bit hard for that type of trader. But yeah, it's not compulsory that we have to make a 1 lakh rupees. Just be a profitable trader. If you're a novice trader or if you have a little bit of experience in the market, automatically you will found that money is making your profit is increasing day by day if you follow risk management and proper position sizing. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel, hit the like button and comment if you have any doubts regarding this video. So guys, meet you in the next